The muddiest point that I have found, especially through my interview, is the fact that as a Christian, I have to accept that not all of the world is ready to embrace my views as a follower of Christ. During my interview, I received some avoidance from my interviewee because of some of the Christian viewpoints that the question is directed toward the subject matter. I recently moved from a Christian private school to a public school, and I found some significant amount of resistance to anyone expressing their faith. Online learning through Christian schools may also receive some of the same resistance, especially in the field that I teach, which is science. There's always going to be those who are looking for a more secular view, a more worldly view, and thus the education offered that they may seek may be preferred from a more secular point of view or a more secular source. Therein lies my muddiest point. How do I, as a Christian, educate using technology or distance learning and not shirk my faith? The question that haunts me is, do I present my faith with a like it or lump it approach, or do I present my information with a more non-committal approach? Let me be honest with you. The first way I feel more comfortable with because I'd rather offend others than offend Christ. But on the other hand, am I being so dogmatic that I don't leave the door open for future correspondence that could possibly lead for the presentation of the gospel? Therein lies my muddiest point. I struggle with that, and as far as this learning procedure has gone, I'm kind of stuck in the middle. Let me know what you think.